By the way, let's talk about rashes under your wedding band, under your rings, where they irritate, they itch. Maybe the first day of your skin's peeled off, they blister. Other things. Those are caused by chemicals being underneath your metal of your band or your rings that you did not get washed out most of the time. You could also be having a reaction to the nickel that's within your mixture of your ring if it's not platinum, like gold, for instance, silver. Most of them have nickel, unless it has palladium or it's Italian, because Italian does not allow, Italian made, does not allow nickel in it. Most of the time it's nickel and it's reacting to your skin due to what you ate, which is if you're eating tomatoes, that's one of the fastest way to make your skin acidic and attack the nickel that's in your ring. Other reasons, you left chemicals underneath that ring when you washed your hands or when you took your shower or whatever. You didn't give the opportunity to move that ring out of the way and clean underneath that ring in your skin. So those chemicals have reacted to your skin. Either way, you got a rash going on and it's irritating. The only way to get around that is to put a thin band-aid on it, allow it to heal and put your band back over it, or take the ring off, put a band-aid on it, take another ring, go get something that has no nickel in it, put it on as a substitute, thinner ring that fits, not one that falls off, thinner, go get a cobalt ring, go get carbon, get something else, put it on, but put that thin band-aid on so your skin can heal. It needs to heal.